My name is Roman Segov. I am international student from Russia studying mathematics in Atlantic Cape, and I'm graduating May 22nd on 2025. My future plans is to participate in Transfer Scholars Initiative in Princeton this summer, and after that I'm taking a year of optional practical training for international students, and after that I'm planning to continue my education in 4 years. My experience in Atlantic Cape was elevative and transformative. I started here as a computer science major, but soon changed it to mathematics, and I started tutoring in my first month. And tutoring here, helping others, helped me find the sense of belongingness to the community, and that's it. I chose mathematics because I think it's a universal language, and it finds itself in every other possible field. So I think knowing that will be definitely helpful in future studies whenever I will go. I realized we don't have math club in Atlantic Cape, and I found passionate students who also like mathematics, and we decided to start a club, and with the help of student government we established it and went to a few conferences, did some cool events,